Let's start having some fun. I am Ivy, the narrator. This time, we will try At Dawn's Light, Season 23 Episode 7, from Bob Ross YouTube channel, The Joy of Painting. The colors in the palette of this video are the 13 colors of Bob Ross. He paints many happy pictures using these 13 colors. See the thumbnail video below for how to make it. And let's begin. Swipe up and down to adjust the transparency of the layer. New layer. Round soft. The sky is this color scheme. Stamp large. Blur them. Foliage. The white would create a beautiful glow in the sky. Stamp large. Softly blur. New layer. Chalk softer. Adjust the transparency of the distant forest. New layer. Foliage. Draw the bushes. Putty blend. Represent the view reflected in the water. Blurs with stamp large. New layer. Undergrowth, 2. Change the layer. Build. Painting snow on bushes. Alpha lock on. New layer. The starting point is off canvas. Erase unnecessary lines. Change the layer. New layer. Undergrowth, 2. Add trees to the near view. New layer. Foliage. Layer light and dark colors for texture. Sandpaper. Blend as if scratching with sandpaper. Represent the view reflected in the water. Blur them. Chalk softer. Blur them. Alpha lock on. Build. Alpha lock off. New layer. Digital oil paint. Add a naked trees. Alpha lock on. Next, add a pattern to the tree trunk. Chalk softer. That's all for this time. Be sure to check out Bob Ross' technique for yourself in The Joy of Painting. Did you find any useful tips for painting in Art Set 4? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright guys. Thank you so much for watching. Otsukar sama deshita.